How to fix not being able to hear stream on Discord mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix not being able to hear stream on Discord mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Discord app. After you open it up, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you'll need to do is head over to your profile page on the U option on the bottom right corner, and you should be on your profile like this. Tap on the settings gear icon on the top right. After that, what you'll need to do is scroll down until you find the voice option. So you will see the apps setting. Tap on. Then do is check if your problem is fixed. If it's not, head over to App Store. On your App Store, simply search for your Discord. Open that up and check if an update is available like this. If it is, tap on update and update your app, and then your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.